Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher if it is not opening on Windows 11. First, close every Epic Games process that may still be running in the background. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes list, look for Epic Games Launcher and Epic Web Helper. If you find either of them, select each one and click End Task. This forces the launcher to close completely. Once you've ended all Epic processes, try opening the launcher again. If the problem continues, clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. Sometimes damaged cache files stop the launcher from loading correctly. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then go to the saved folder. Find the web cache folder and delete it. After that, restart your computer and launch Epic Games again. The launcher will automatically create a new cache folder. If it still does not open, run the launcher with administrator rights. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. You can also enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations, which may help on some Windows 11 systems. Click Apply, then OK, and launch the program again. One of these methods should fix the Epic Games Launcher not opening on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.